Today, we will be learning about Mango Languages, a language learning software available through the ICC Library. The quickest way to get to Mango Languages is to first start at the ICC Library homepage. Scroll down to the We Think You Might Like part of the page and click Get Started with Mango. Once you have followed the link, you will need to create an account by selecting Sign Up. You can log in if you've been to Mango Languages before, or hit Continue as Guest. However, it is important to note that if you are continuing as a guest, you are not able to save your progress in the language learning modules. You will then be asked to choose a language. Popular languages are listed here, but you can click See All to access over 70 different languages. I'm going to select Hawaiian. You can choose to do a pretest to see what you might already know about the language if you have studied it before, or click Start Learning to begin interactive learning modules to help you learn your new language. This has been How to Use Mango Languages.